Should we wait here or go along?
Gather here so we can listen to him.
So this is the main galley where we are preparing the food for the taste, manatan and savor. So far whatever we had your breakfast, lunch, dinner in all these three restaurants, the food has been prepared over here in this galley. That's why it's called main galley India. So all the three restaurants, whatever food we are preparing here, and the waiters taking selection on both sides. Taste is here, savor is here, and manatan is on top. So we have the accelerator over there for the waiter to carry the food on top. So it's little bit high. That's why maybe sometimes you get a temperature of the food is cold. You all the way in 7 rise. You can see this is at the pan, roast pan, sauce pan. Everybody have a team of 5 people. The chef will give the menu what we have in advance for tomorrow for the lunch. You will get the menu in the night. So I am being a veg man. I have 6 people with me. So I will see the menu what we have. Like for example, I see the mashed potato, broccoli, green beans. I will prepare all those things along with my team members. You can see some people wearing the blue scarf, red scarf, white scarf. There is a different rank for this. So they are like assistants, so we need to assist they report to each other for cutting job and all those things. So the same thing with the fishman. As per the menu, he knows what fish we have given by the chef. So he will prepare the fish. There are 3 people who look only after the fish. Even the same with any chicken item, there are 3 people again who look after the chicken item. So one guy always stay at the back to always cook a production batch by batch. So we know how many the restaurant reservation are. So we will be cooking the chicken like 20 pieces, another 20 pieces, and we will be giving in the front line. So here the one picture will be posted as the dish. One picture will be out and one will be in. So whenever the waiter comes to pick up the food, they know where the food is available. So all the outside the line there will be one picture posted for the dinner. So they know where we get and what are the things. So in total we are like 245 chefs all over the galley. Especially in the crew mess, we have 15 chefs, they prepare only for the crew. They are not working here. The galley is different. The chef also are different. The next fight. Here also. I think there are 28 people in the main galley working everywhere. The pastry section is different. You can see at the back is all about the pastry. All the pastries are made here, especially when you see in the garden cafe buffet, all the production is done here. They do the production here, they carry on the trolley and they assemble it on the garden cafe.
There you go. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. All right.
I'll sit in my garage. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. This is all the working schedule of the crew member and all of the 1 hours everything. The timing is their breakfast.
How many hours do you work a day?
10 hours. We have the break shift. Not the shift, 3 hours.
Awesome. Now I present to you Roylan. Roylan is the...
Okay, ma'am, you can come to here.
Excuse me.
Okay, hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Welcome to Main Laundry. My name is Roylan. I am the laundry supervisor on board. I'm just gonna give you a short information regarding our operation, and then we're gonna walk around and then show you our machines. Okay. First, Main Laundry, we operate 24 hours a day. We have a 2 shift, one in the day and one in the night. we are consist of 23 laundry staff working together for the operation. Okay, we have 13 on the day and then 10 in the night shift. Okay, basically what we are doing in main laundry is we just wash, press, and fold. Okay, we wash mostly all the uniforms from captain, general managers, and all the officers and all the crew. But for the crew, we do have a specific schedule for them. Like today, we're gonna do the galleys. Tomorrow, we're gonna do the restaurant. And the next day, we're gonna do the housekeeping. So we can accommodate everybody. Okay? And then we accept guest laundry coming from you. So if you have anything for laundry, for washing, just put it in the laundry bag that is provided in your cabin. And then make sure you fill out our laundry list for our record purposes. Okay? And then we wash mostly what you can see from your cabin, like the bed sheets, pillowcases, and towels. And if the curtain is need to be washed, we're just gonna take it out from the cabin, bring it down here. We're gonna wash it and press it here, and then put it back again. Okay. Same thing in the restaurant department. Once you're done with your breakfast or lunch, we're gonna bring down all the sold one, and then we're gonna wash it here. We're gonna press it, and then make sure it's ready for the next use. Okay. And that's it. Basically, that's what we do in main laundry. We just wash, press, and fold. Okay. Now we're gonna show you our machines and how it works. Here on my right, this is stainless machines. These are our regular washing machines. Okay. We use it mostly for uniforms and guest clothes. Okay. We have 9 of these machines. Only depend on the sizes that we have. We have 4 of 33 maximum load kilogram, and then we have 3 of 55 kilogram maximum load, and we have 2 of 120 maximum kilogram load. Okay. But main laundry consists of 2 decks, deck 2 and deck 3. Okay. Okay, here in this machine, the brown cover, and dress shirts. Materials, we use it for the materials combination of polyester and cotton. Okay, I'm going to show you the one that we are using for t-shirts. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's do one. This is how we would press
Oh,
the
wow, that's
t-shirt
cool.
and suit jacket.
Oh, that's what you need. He's steaming it so that it's not wrinkled.
Then you just gotta put it in a hammer. Okay, now the other machine, the blue cover, as you can see from that side, we call it steam pressing machine. We call it steam pressing machine because we are just using steam. Okay, normally we use it for pants and delicate materials like silk, woolen, or some rayon material. And then now we're gonna show you the machine that we are using for pressing chef's jacket.
Oh, check that out.
Oh, wow. That's a big difference.
Wow.
Okay, now once it's done, we're gonna put it in a hanger and then give it to the lady. Given at least 5 or 6 sets of uniforms. So once they send any laundry here, just gonna put a label or mark on the uniform and then return it to the lender. What I mean is that whatever the uniform they send, they will get the same uniform. So the uniform will be their personal uniform for the rest of their contract. Okay. Now this machine that we have on the dry cleaning machine. Okay, so if you have anything for dry cleaning, fortunately here in Norwegian Bliss we have dry cleaning machine. Okay. Now we're gonna go now on the starboard side. We're gonna show you our washing area.
Look for chonies. No.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Hello.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Nice work.
I think we might have to take advantage of that. Oh, it feels good over here.
You can come closer sa'yo, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now we are now here in the starboard side. We're gonna show you our washing machines that we are using for washing towels, bed sheets, and napkins and tablecloths. Okay, here we have two washing machines that we call it tunnel washing machine. We call it tunnel washing machine because it's a form like a long horizontal pipe formed horizontally, and it's divided into 12 compartments. So each compartment has its use, like the first compartment will be the pre-wash, second one will be the washing, and the third one will be the main wash. And then rinsing, and so on. Okay, what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna put a load on the conveyor of a maximum load of 25 kilogram. And then we're gonna put it up, gonna press up, and it will automatically go inside the tunnel machine once it's ready. Okay. Whatever we're gonna wash here in the tunnel machine, like now we're washing towel, we're gonna wash it in a hot temperature of 110 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then it will eject a little bit of bleach to make it brighter and cleaner. Okay, now as you can see, now it's going inside. You can see it inside. After that, now we're gonna load again another load of 25 kilograms.
How long does it take?
It takes around 36 to 40 minutes washing time. But each compartment, it will be washing for 3 minutes. Like the first one who goes inside, it will be washing in the first compartment for 3 minutes. And then after 3 minutes, it will go to the next compartment. And then it will be washing again for 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on.
Do you wash only towels and then only tablecloths, or can they mix anything together?
No, we separate it. We always separate. If it's napkin, napkin only, tablecloth, towel, or bed sheet. Because we have a different program on each material. We'll not get this up.
That's pretty cool.
How many towels do you think you wash a day? Or
A lot. Okay, whatever we're gonna put in the tunnel machine, like right now we are putting towel. On the last rinsing, it will take a little bit of softener. Okay, if we're gonna put a bed sheet, tablecloth, or napkin, in the last rinsing, it will take a little bit of starch. So once we press it, we press the bed sheet or the tablecloth, it's a little bit crispy or something like that. Okay, and then whatever we're gonna wash here on tunnel machine, it will automatically goes up on deck 3. Where our drying area and pressing the bed sheet are located. Okay, now we're gonna go now on deck 3. We're gonna show you our area on deck 3. Okay, here on my left, here is our drying area is. We have 8 dryers that we are using for maximum load of 50 kilograms. Okay, as I said before, whatever we wash in the tunnel washing machine, it automatically goes up here on deck 3 and it will pass by the dryer. Like right now we are washing towel, It will pass by the dryer and it will take 30 to 35 minutes drying time. Okay, once it's done drying, it will automatically come out and it will go to the conveyor. Now we have a dry towel already. We're just gonna pick it up from the conveyor.
Wow.
Now they are being
Quality
washed and
control
dried.
inspection.
Because,
Dude, is your face hurt?
now that we are having a bigger shift, we are having a physical that once you wash it, it will pack. Now here in the port side. We have two machines that we are using here. Here on my right, this one is, we call it Mangler 1, this one is Mangler 2. Here in Mangler 1, this one is normally we use it for napkins and pillowcases. The Mangler 2, normally we use it for tablecloths and bed sheets. So here in Mangler 2, whatever we run or whatever we fit inside, it will be automatically being pressed and automatically being folded at the back. It will be pressed and folded.
That's crazy. Oh my. Look at all that